Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash styling video on this unit you see me wearing, sis. We have us another wear and go unit. This is a 5-minute bust down and it's from West Kiss Hair. I'll have them linked in the description box below, as well as this unit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and girl, yes, let's jump into it. So this is the box the unit came in. Inside of the box was their wig cap, as well as elastic bands, edge brush, some cute little lashes, and then I'm guessing this is like a bonnet, a little silk bonnet or whatever. So yeah, so this is the wig. This is their Glueless wear and go curly wig. It's a 5x9 closure and it's 20 inches. It doesn't say what the density is, but I want to say maybe 180% density because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It has one comb at the top, no combs on the sides, but a comb at the bottom, as well as an elastic band because of course it is a glueless unit. I as well think that the elastic around the cap is so good. I love that it doesn't come with combs on the sides because they typically hurt my head anyway. But yeah, there is some type of elastic around the wig, and I would like to mention that this is a pre-cut unit. If you can't already see that, it does come pre-cut. And no, I did not pluck this unit. It comes plucked as well, sis. So now I'm going to tint my lace using my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just spraying that along the lace. Then I'm going to put her on. Now I did try to use the elastic band because this is a glueless unit, and the elastic band is supposed to add durability, like it's just supposed to stabilize the wig and just tighten it on your head to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But that elastic band is not my best friend, so I struggle all the time putting these units on, and I always feel like they're still gonna slide to the back. So anyways girl, now I'm getting her situated. I'm gonna comb the hair to the back because I want y'all to see this hairline. Now this is HD lace. Again, it came pre-plucked. The only thing that I did was bleach my knots and pre-wash it or co-wash it or whatever you want to call it, sis. I washed it, and girl, this lace looks so good. So yeah, now we are going to tint the lace. I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and we're just going to add some powder along the hairline. I would also like to add that the sides kind of come or go into my hairline, which is not a bad thing, but I do just want to put that out there because it does push back into my hairline, and it does kind of come up, so it's just better for me to do a middle part. So yeah, we're gonna style her. We're gonna do a middle part. I could possibly do a side part, but again, it just comes up on the sides and goes back into my hairline, and I want to wear this glueless, so we're just gonna do this little bust down middle part, and yeah. So now I'm going in with my wax stick. I'm putting the wax all along the parts, and then we're going to go in with the hot comb so we can get her laying flat. Now I'm going to push back the hair in the front and do the same thing that I did to the part, which was use that wax and put it on in the front and then use the hot comb. This is to like just basically style the front. I don't like it to lay flat. I kind of like the little arches. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So now Now I'm going to clip the hair back so we can get into these baby hairs. I usually do no baby hairs, and then I kind of just like the minimal baby hairs, but today we kind of gonna go all out. Not really, but really, I just want soft fluffy baby hairs, kind of long, kind of not. So yeah, we're just gonna cut it to my or whatever, and then we're going to curl them with my with my little flat iron, and then use some mousse to like lay them down. And yeah, they're eventually gonna be like soft baby hairs, but I just thought that this would be so cute. And girls, sorry it's taking me so long to part them and do these baby hairs. Like, sis, when I say I struggle, again, I rarely do baby hairs, and when I do the bare minimum. So this was me trying to get the bare minimum hair. Like, I just don't like a lot of hair out. I don't like them to be very thick. So yeah, I did struggle a little bit to get them situated, but just bear with me, because in the end we was cute. So now that we got the hair all pushed back and I went in with my mousse and laid everything down, I'm gonna put on my elastic band. This way everything just melts in my skin, and it can really just look like this hair just came from my scalp. So while we wait for the unit to melt in our skin, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up the front one more time. Like I said before, I did wash this unit, so it was a little damp. So the first time that I tried to flat iron it flat ironed, but it didn't really stay because, again, it was damp. So we're just gonna go in, touch it up real good, and yeah. Now we're gonna get these curls popping. I'm going in with my Cantu curling cream, and I'm literally just putting that all throughout the hair on the ends. Again, y'all, the unit is already damp. Like, we washed it already, so no need to add water. I'm not adding anything but this Cantu curling cream. Then I'm gonna go in with my denim brush to tighten up the curls and just get the curl pattern popping. So because I want some fluffy curls, I don't want this wet look, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, and I'm literally just going to dry these curls, like just a little bit. You'll know when to stop. So yeah, I'm just pointing it in the down direction because I don't want the hair to blow everywhere. I just want the curls to stay how it is and stay uniform, pretty, and I don't want to dry them completely out, but just enough. If that makes sense. Like, you'll know when to stop. Just let it get a little dry, not too much, because the rest of the way we're gonna let them air dry. And as I'm drying the curls, I'm also scrunching it up with my hands just to make sure the ends are like a tight curl. I don't even know if that makes sense. I don't even know if that's actually what I'm doing, if it's working, but it just feels good to me, and I see other people do it, so we're just gonna continue to do it. So now that I got it pretty much to where I want it to be, again, I didn't do too much drying because I don't want to dry them out, but I did just enough. But yeah, we're going to take off this elastic band and see how, ooh, yeah. We're melted, sis. I'm just looking at everything because it looks so good. it. So I end up waiting about 20 minutes before I came back on camera because I wanted it to air dry. And girl, this is what we're looking like. This is what we're giving, honey. Okay, so this isn't like a 5-minute bust down. Okay, I did say maybe a 5-minute bust down, maybe more like 10, 15, 20. But girl, you have to put in the work for these curls. These curls is popping. This lace is popping. It looks so good. You cannot tell me this is not coming from my scalp. Now my edges did come up. Again, I don't really care because I told you I wanted them to be fluffy, and I knew that they were going to come up. I knew they weren't going to stay. I just love that effortless look, like they're there but they're not there. Like it's bomb to me, girl. But the fact that this unit is glueless gets me every time. I have never done this well on a glueless unit to where it looks like it's my hair. Like maybe it's because it's the HD lace. Like the lace has a lot to do with it. But we are looking good. The only thing I will say is that the unit kind of pushes back on me. Maybe it's because I have a big head, or maybe it's because I don't do well with the elastic bands. Maybe I need to tighten it up. Nevertheless, I will have this unit linked in the description box if you want to get your hands on it. Get it because it is bomb. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.